Bharat, I think last time we do EIGRP learn and we done enable and configure process. Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
We done hello concept, hello parameter concept. We done network command. We done neighbor
Membership.
command. We done next hook self feature. We done split horizon rule in EIGRP. We done update process. We done offset list. Okay.
Variance.
Variance concept. Okay. Dual algorithm.
Yeah. Not balance.
Okay. We done load balancing.
Yeah. Equal constant and equal.
Then we discuss which one thing, one more. Which one? Any idea? Timers. Timer scenario we done. Okay, now this one is too much topic done last time. Now, today we start from which one topic? Give me 1 second. I have some EIGRP data sheet. D drive, desktop file, CCIE topics, and EIGRP. Okay, now today we start from summarization. Which one topic?
Summarization.
Okay. Summarization. Basically, in summarization, we are getting a two concept: auto summary and
manual.
Manual summarization. Okay. Always remember one thing: whenever network engineer do summarization, then loop chance available. Clear?
Yeah.
Which type of loop chance? Control plane and which one plane?
Data plane.
Data plane. Okay. Now first we discuss auto summary. Okay. Access your EVNG 192.168.100.131. So I already have some labs. EIGRP. Routing and which one lab? EIGRP. And we discuss summarization. Okay. Verify how many topology we are using.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay. So we are getting forwarding plane loop topology separate. Control plane loop topology is separate. Yes or no? And how to forward outside traffic after summarization. Clear? So how many topology we need to discuss? Verify. 3. It's a complete summarization topics. Complete. Okay. First we discuss control plane loop summarization. Okay. Sarath, any idea what is the meaning of control plane? Control plane means
that administration, right? Basically.
forwarding updates. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So basically, in EIGRP, we are getting which one feature?
Auto summary.
Auto summary. Okay. Right now, very important point. By default, disable. If device having 15.x iOS. Yes or no? Now, if device disable this feature, then send individual routes. Clear? This thing is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. If enable, then device send default information. Okay. Both we discuss. this one and this one. Okay, now one more thing. For example, Sarath, this one is my router. Clear? And router having 1, 2, 3. 3 interfaces. This side one interface. Clear? Now this side we are getting 10.1.1.0/24. 10.1.2. Or we can say, for example, 10.2.2.0/20. 10.3.3.0/24. Now, if someone enable on this router, which one protocol?
EIGRP summarize.
EIGRP AS100. Clear? Now, basically EIGRP enable on this router. This router say in EIGRP AS100 auto summary is enable. So what will be happen now? Whenever this router forward updates, which one message?
Updates.
Updates. Then this router put inside update this network information, but auto summary is
Enabled.
enabled. So what will be happen? Router verify those networks which class? Which class?
Class A.
Class A. In class A, inside
A.
update 1 octet fix, because all network first octet is 10 na, fix, and 3 octet by default
Variable.
and default subnet mask is /8. So basically this update forward on other route. If auto summary is
Enabled.
but if someone say if auto summary
Disable.
so what will be happen?
Individual routes will send.
Now again this router say I am sending
update,
but now 10.1.1.0, 10.2.2.0, 10.3.3.0. So basically we are getting individual routes inside my update. But why we are doing manual summarization if someone asking? So for example, if this router sending 1000 networks, how many?
1000.
So basically issue we are getting a first issue. Which one?
CPU utilization, routing table size,
increase. Second, router memory issue. Third, CPU utilization is high. Fourth, latency issue. Clear? Fifth, congestion. Clear? So this issue we are getting without manual summarization. Okay, now if you do which one thing, dear?
Manual summarization.
Manual summarization. So I think manual summarization, some rule we discussed already.
Yeah.
Okay, first rule.
First octet will be
network must be minimum how many?
1 octet.
How many network you can do summarize? Minimum.
Minimum 2.
Second, all network
same class.
Third,
Continuous.
network
It should be
must be
continuous.
Fourth point, must be, okay, I will write down network 1 octet
At least
must be
same.
match. Or which one octet must be match?
First octet.
First octet. Very good. Fifth number, Fifth number rule, any idea which one?
Last we discussed that little.
Fifth number. Fifth number. Any idea? Any idea, Sarath?
I am just recollecting.
Yeah. Only 4 points, not a fifth number. Clear? Yes. Okay. Now, basically, now one more thing for manual summarization. If manual summarization perform, then loop chance
Aye.
available. Clear? Or which one loop chance?
Control plane. And then
Control plane. So first we discuss
Only
which one loop chance?
control plane.
Control plane. Okay. 1 second. So we need to do snipping tool task. Capture this. Done? No. So this one is my topology. In this topology, how many devices? Router 1, router 2, router 3. The router 1 having this network in which one side?
LAN side.
You can say this one is my branch networks. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. For example, a router 1 say, I will do summarization. So basically this network summarization 1.1.1.0 first network, last 1.1.6.0.
6.0.
2 octet match, third is 1 or 6. So 1, 6, 0,
0,
128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Done? Now,
XOR gate.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0.
Hmm.
Done?
1,
How
2,
many
3,
bits
4,
match?
5. 5.
5. So 16 bit plus 5.
21.
21. So I think I already know 255, 255, and then 248.0.
0.
This one is summary, subnet mask.
Yeah.
And summary network is 10.1.1.1.0.0.
0.
Okay. So basically router 1 say, okay, I am getting my summary network subnet mask also. So router 1 say, I am sending summarization via which interface? E0 by 0.
0.
So R1 say I am sending 1.1.0.0 slash 20. So R2 receive, R2 receive, and R2 install inside routing
Routing
table.
table.
So R2 say I'm installing this route inside my routing table. So inside routing table, D route 1.1.0.0 slash 21 via which one router? R1. Clear now? Basically this R2 same update forward on
R3.
R3. So R3 say I'm installing the root 1.1.0.0 slash 21 via
R2.
done. Now
Yeah.
one more. R1 via this interface sending already updates, but inside updates this network individual R3 receive D root which one? 1.1.1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0. Via which one router?
Router.
Via R1. Okay. R3 same update forward on R2. R2 say, okay, I'm receiving update from router number 3. And this route is individual. Which one routes? 1.1.1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, and 6.0. Via which one router?
R3.
Via R3. Any doubt for this task?
No.
Okay. For example, Sarath, after some times, 1.1.2.0 goes
Down.
down. Done. Now, R2 say, brother, my LAN user want to go which one side? 1.1.2.1 side.
Hmm.
So data traffic receive on R2. R2 will receive. R2 verify in routing table. In routing table, route is available.
Route is available.
Because last time we do summarization
Hmm.
and we are getting individual routes. Yes or
Individual.
no? Okay. So basically R2 R1 say I am forwarding summarization on R2, R2 forwarding summarization on
R3.
R3, R3 also forwarding summarization on which one router?
R1.
R1 via this interface receive and install in routing table 1.0.0./21 via which one router? Via.
R3.
So whenever this user want to go to 1.1.2.1, so forward on router 2, router 2 look up into routing
Routing
table.
table.
And routing table D route is available. And via which one router?
R1.
Via which one?
R1.
R1 will receive this route. R1 look up into routing table. Any route available? 1.1.0, 3.4.
No.
5.6. Okay, summarization is available. Summary
Available.
route is available now. Via
Yeah.
which one router?
R3. It will forward.
Forward on
R3.
router 3. Router 3 look up into routing table. Okay, summary route available via
R2.
forward on R2. R2 verify route is available via
R1. Again it will loop.
loop. So how to prevent which one loops?
Control plane.
So it's a very simple concept, very simple. So I think you already know EIGRP AD value. How many available?
2.
90 or
90 and 170.
internal 4, 90,
External.
174.
External.
Okay, if someone asking, if we do summarization, so whenever we forward this route, after summarization, so basically always clear. Summary route AD value is how many?
5.
5. And one more thing. If R1 performs summarization, so R1 automatically install in on a routing table. Which one route? 1.1.0.0/21. And this one is which one route?
Null.
Null 0. If I am receive any traffic for this one, so null 0 means.
Drop.
So which one loop prevent?
Control plane.
Which one loop prevent?
Control plane.
Control plane loop. And data plane loop, how to prevent?
DL algorithm. Right?
Data plane we discussed, no worry. Data plane, control plane is clear now? Okay, give me 1 second, increase slide size. Summarization is very big topic. भैया वहां से माउस लाना हिमांशु वाले टेबल पे okay give me 1 second sir hold on okay now we need to copy which one diagram this one forwarding plane loop concept clear
Yeah.
this design you need to do practice then you can make other topology okay if you done this topology that means good your concept is clear. Right now, today I'm getting issue with my laptop. It's not working good. Yeah. Okay, Sarath, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, now paste your diagram. So we need to discuss about which one loop concept?
Forward data plane.
Data plane loop concept. Okay, data plane means whenever
Traffic is forward.
traffic receive, then RT check. RT means routing table check.
Routing level.
Must be. Okay. So basically router 4 having this network, router 5, router 6 and router 7.
Seven.
But router 7 having which one network? This one. Okay. Verify R4 and R7 both are same class network or different?
Same class.
Same class. No issue. Any issue? No.
No.
Whenever router 4 say I will do summarization and forward summary route. So R4 install inside routing table. This routes, yes or no? And install one more route. Which one? So
Summary.
1 or 3 means I think same 1.1.0.0/21, and this one is which one route?
Null.
Null.
Zero.
Okay. And R4 forward update, and this update will receive on
R5.
R5. R5 install inside routing table droute 1.1.0.0/21 via
R4.
R5 forward on R6. Yeah.
R6.
R6 say okay inside routing table droute 1.1. Okay, it's a 10 dot. No issue. We can say hold on. I will say done. Any doubt? Okay, now 1.1.0. Which one route? 0.0./21 via.
Router.
Okay, same concept, but R7 say, brother, I also do which one task? Summarization and forward update.
Update.
R7 say install inside my routing table droute 1.1.0.0/21, for example, and this one is which one route? Null 0.
Yes.
R6 receive update via R5 via R7. D 1.1.0.0/21 via R7. So which one is more preferred? Which one route metric is lowest?
R7.
R7. So basically this route from my routing table delete and install which one route only?
R7. This
Via
one.
R7. Yes or no? Okay, now if R6 having some LAN user and this LAN user say, brother, I want to go to 1.1.4.1. So R6 receive the route inside routing table via R7. So forward and R7 get route and forward reply. No issue. Yes or no? But if this user trying to say, I want to communicate with 1.1.2.1.
One.
So traffic receive on
Router, it will forward to R7.
R7 and R7 forward on R7
Again.
receive and check routing table route is available. No. Traffic is
Drop.
So now in this scenario, how to say communication is possible? How to say?
No, communication is not possible.
Not possible. So basically, this side, we are not doing summarization basically. Okay. This side we are using which one concept only? Auto summary. Which one? Auto summary. If I'm using auto summary, so it's a very simple task. We are receiving the route, which one? 1.0.0.0/8 via R7. So how to install this summary inside routing table? So basically we are getting option. Which one option? We are using AD value. Which one concept?
AD value
AD value is how many?
5.
5. AD value is
5.
So basically this router install which one root? D root 1.1.0.0/value 21 and via which one router?
Router 5.
Router 5. So control planes and data plane loop is clear.
Yeah.
How to prevent data plane loop?
AD value
Which scenario we use? We are receiving update with AD value
90.
90. We are receiving summary route via AD value
5.
clear. That is the reason. Same scenario this one. Whenever we are sending update, summary update, clear na? Same. So basically, this router say I already have AD value is how many? 5 for summary. Yes or no? But whenever R3 pass this update on R1 side, so AD value is
90.
90. So which one is more preferred? 5 or 90?
5. 5.
Clear? Okay. Now, next diagram. Third number. This one scenario. Which one? How to forward outside your traffic. Okay. R8, R9, R10. Clear? Okay. Now, if R9 perform for this two routes, which one does?
Summarization.
Summarization. So basically, R9 install inside routing table D route 10.1.0.0/16 and this route is null 0. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And same route receive on R8, but R8 install inside routing table D route 10.1.0.0
0 via router 9.
16 and via
Router 9.
Okay. Now, if this side user want to jump 10.1.3.1, so any possibility available? R10 receive on R9 side, R9 receive and R9 verify inside routing table route is available. Yes,
Yes.
but this route is null 0.
Null.
That means traffic is
It will drop.
clear. Traffic is
Drop.
So how data traffic will be forward? How data traffic will be forward? So
Same concept we will add that.
How to say? Basically, in this concept, we use some advanced feature. Okay, we discuss now. This thing is clear now. We
Yeah.
need to forward outside. Okay. Now one by one we do lab, both lab. So basically, first lab we need to do which one?
Forward.
This lab, control plane lab. Okay. Start R1, R2, and R. Okay. Use the snipping tool. New. Done. R1, R2, and R3. Now this one is my design and this one is my console. Go to R1. show IP protocol summary. So any protocol enable?
No.
Show IP interface brief. So verify R1 12 dot and 30 dot is available.
Yes.
R2 show IP protocol summary. No. Show IP interface brief. Done. Now
Yes.
go to R3. Show IP protocol summary. No. Show IP interface brief. Done. Okay. On R1 side, any loopback available?
No.
No. So we create interface loopback 1 IP address 1.1 subnet mask. Loopback number 2 and network is
1.1.2.1.
loopback number 3. Network is
3.1.
we can use only 3 network. No issue. To IP interface. Great. Now the router EIGRP 100 network. Anyone?
0.
R2. Router EIGRP 100 network is
Any.
anyone? R3. Router EIGRP 100 network is anyone. Done. Okay. Now. So go to R2. Show IP route EIGRP. So we are getting root in EIGRP individual because auto summary is disabled.
Disable.
R1 say I will do summarization on E0 by 0 because which one interface we are doing summarization? This one. Clear? Na? So if we do via this interface summarization, so summary root receive on R2 and R2 forward on R3, R3 forward on
Harvard.
R1. Now verify. IP summary address for EIGRP 100 summary network is 1.1.0.0 subnet mask is 255.255.0.0/16 we are saying, and now verify. We are getting a log. Summary is configure and we are getting a resync. Go to R2 side and now verify. Show IP route EIGRP. Basically we are receiving individual routes. We are receiving summary route. Yes or no? Clear now?
Yeah, both are allowed.
R3 show IP route EIGRP. We are receiving summary plus
Individual route.
clear now. So I think this scenario we already discussed last time. Now. So basically now we need to do next task. Which one? If R3 if R2 side user want to go 1.2.1 ping 1.1.2.1
What?
so successful, but via which one path we are using? Which one path? Read R3 and R1.
Or
Clear? Which one route is more preferred? Show IP route EIGRP. This route is more preferred. Clear na? Okay. Now. If R1 interface loopback to now remove. So show IP interface break. Loopback 2 is available?
No.
Okay, go to R2. Show IP route EIGRP. So verify. 2.root is removed? Yes or no? Okay. This summary we are receiving via R1. So if I am doing ping 1.1.2.1 enter. We are getting U. U means unreachable. Why? Why? R2 select now path for via which one router?
12.
R1. So R1 say okay, I'm accept. But right now, last time we are receiving summary via this interface, na? But now go to R1 and now verify show IP route in EIGRP. Any route available? No. We are receiving one route 1.1.0.0/16 is a summary, but null interface is
enabled. So it will.
We are receiving because R3 whenever sending update. So AD value is
90.
AD value is 90 and summary route AD value is
5.
So control plane loop is prevent na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Data plane loop. How to prevent data plane loop? Router 1 say I am installing summary via null
Zero.
0. So I think this one is available.
Yes.
Clear? Okay. If someone says, sir, please show me the AD19 packet. So it's possible to capture. Yes. How to say? First, remove the summary from R1 interface E0 by 0. Okay.
Mm. So
Remove.
basically, once we enable that auto summary, means that this manual summarization option, then the AD value it will automatically set to 5 from 19 to
Whenever we
5, right?
configure summary,
Hmm.
then AD value is 5 for summary route.
Okay. It is automatically, right?
Yeah, automatic. Now capture in between R1 or R3 link. So E0 by 2. Clear?
Hmm.
Now verify. R3 forward same network information via AD value 90. Now go to R1 and generate E0 by 0 IP summary address EIGRP 100 1.1.0.0 Wait. Verify. R1 sending update multicast, yes or no?
Yeah.
And R3 also sending update. Verify R3, yes or no? And verify inside update, this route is going, yes or no? And
Yes.
which one route?
Internal.
Internal route. Internal route AD value is? Internal route AD value is 90.
90.
And summary route AD value is?
5.
5. So show IP route EIGRP. So any route install?
No.
Clear now?
Hmm.
Okay, now stop this. So I think this thing is clear now.
Yes.
Stop all devices. Okay, now we need to discuss forwarding plane loops. Which one?
Forwarding plane. Data.
Start R4, R5, R6, R7.
Yeah.
Where is my snipping tool? This one design we need to discuss. Clear? R4 axis, R5, R6, R7. Wait, every device will get boot up. Hold on. Go to R4. Show IP protocol summary. Show IP interface brief. Done. Okay. Enable router EIGRP 100. Network is 00.
0.
Go to R5. Show IP protocol summary. Show IP interface brief. Router EIGRP 100. Network is 00. Go to R6. Show IP protocol summary. Show IP interface. So enable router EIGRP 100. Network is 000. R7. Show IP protocol summary. Show IP interface brief. Okay, enable router EIGRP 100 000. So basically, Sarath, by default, auto summary is disabled. That means this route individually forward R5, R6,
R6.
and R7.
R7.
Yes or no? Okay. Okay. This route also individually forward on R6, R5,
R5.
and
R4.
R4. Okay. Now one more thing. Basically, I am saying this route individually forward, for example, R6, and this route individually forward on.
R6.
But how to forward? Individually forward, so install, no issue. Yes or no? Verify on R6. If you are sending individually, so we are getting any issue?
No.
No. But if auto summary enable.
Yeah.
Then we are sending 10.0.0/8, and this side we are also sending 10.0.0/.
8.
So R6 install inside routing table droot 10.0.0/8 via which one router? R7 or R5? Which one route getting a lowest metric?
R7.
R7. Yes or no? So this thing is happen. Now go to R4. Say router EIGRP 100, and I'm saying auto
Summary.
summary. We can say auto summary. Go to R7. I'm saying router EIGRP 100 auto summary.
Summary.
Now go to R6. Show IP route EIG. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Clear?
67. Yeah.
So basically, how to install, how to forward data traffic via R6 to this site. Auto summary must be disabled.
Disabled in R7.
R7, then we can get output but any other chance is available? Any other chance? Go to R4 and verify. The router EIGRP 100 summary metric
Metric.
we can set yes or no?
Hmm.
Summary metric we can set, for example, 10.0.0/8, and we can set bandwidth or set ED value for a specific route. Yes or no? If I'm saying, for example, ED value is
18.
90, or delay is 5 seconds, reliability 5, uh, bandwidth for metric loading it's 2, for example, MTO is 1500. Set. Show IP route. Yeah. We are getting any changes? No,
No.
we are not getting any changes. R4, we configure summary. If you are configuring summary, by default summary we are sending? No.
No.
We are sending auto summary. It's a manual summary. If you're doing manual, then we can go na. So R6 say I am receiving the best route via which one person? R7. So how to forward data traffic now? How to forward? Any idea? Auto summary disable. It's the first option. Yes or no? So if R4 say I will configure which one thing?
Manual summarization. Yeah.
Interface E0/2 IP summary address
Summary.
EIGRP 100 10.1.0.0/21
One.
and then 255
Two.
0.3/16
Hmm.
go to R6. Verify. Available?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now go to R6 and try to forward your data traffic. Ping 10.1.1.1. It's reachable. 4.1. It's also reachable.
No.
Why? Why? Which one route
Because
is
it is, yeah, now it is forwarding to R4. Yeah.
R4? Clear?
Hmm.
So basically, command I think available. IP. We are getting command. Give me 1 second. On R6, router EIGRP 100 summary for 10 dot. You can say, hold on 1 second. Show IP route. One important solution we need to use. This one is done, no worry. Why this one we are getting a best part? This one is non-backup. If R7 auto summary is disabled, router EIGRP 100 no auto summary. Now go to R6. Yeah, we are getting individual routes. Yes or no? So forwarding plane loop will be prevented with the help of which one concept? Null zero concept. Yes or no? Because R4 having show IP route EIGRP 10.1.00/16 via which one? Null zero.
Sure.
We need to disable auto summary. That is the reason we are getting one more entry. Yes or no? This one. Now verify. Remove. Go to R6. No auto summary. We are getting summarization. We are getting summary route plus individual route.
Individual routes.
Yes or no?
Hmm.
Now close this one. So basically we can change ED value. Give me 1 second. Remember the command on R6. Where is my design? This one. Yes, summary route ED value we can do change. Think command is available. Router EIGRP 100. Some command is available. Show IP route. Okay, show run interface E0/2. Okay, we done summarization. Yes or no? So interface E0/2. Say no. Go to R6. Yeah, it's done. Yes or no? Now go to R4. We do summarization E0/2. IP summary address EIGRP 100 10.0.0 okay. 10.0.0.0 255.0.0.0 for example. And now R6 show IP route EIGRP. So we are getting this one route and this one. Yes or no? Go to R7 and say router EIGRP 100 auto summary is enabled.
Enable.
So R6 only getting a single route. Yes or no? Show IP EIGRP topology. In topology table, we are getting only 67 is best. All links 67 and which one route available? 5.
5.
So FD value is this one, FD or RD.
RT.
It's equal. I think backup path is available. Yes or no?
Yes.
We are getting command. Give me 1 second. Hold on, little bit, only 1 second. Yeah, now verify router EIGRP 100 distance. This commands available for EIGRP. So we can set internal route AD value. We can set external route AD value. But this one is set route administrative distance for all routes. This one is for
Okay.
only EIGRP.
EIGRP.
So show IP route EIGRP. So we are receiving single entry because R7 already advertise auto summary. If R7 disable auto summary, router EIGRP 100 and command is no auto
Auto summary.
summary. So verify show IP route EIGRP. We are getting a resync log. Yes or no? Clear graceful restart means neighborship is down then up. Yeah, no, verify. We are getting root and now it's reachable. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So basically, if you want to prevent forwarding plane loops, so must be disable. Which one option? Auto
Auto
summary.
summary.
Okay, last task. This one task we need to forward the data traffic on outside. Outside means internet side.
Yeah.
Which one?
Internet.
Internet side. Okay, control plane loop prevent by AD value plus data plane loops prevent by auto summary feature
summary.
plus AD value. Control plane loop
AD value.
AD value. Data plane loops auto summary plus
AD
null
value.
zero, null zero,
Null.
null zero, null zero. Because R1 install null zero na for summary route.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Okay. So basically now start this selected device. This one is last topology. Wait. R8. Okay, started. In real time, this lab we are getting in CCI sometimes. In CCI, this one lab part is very important. This one. Access R8, R9, R10. Now R8. Okay, show IP interface with available. So it's router EIGRP 100 network is 000. Done. Auto summary is disabled. Router EIGRP 100 network is 000. Go to R10. Router EIGRP 100 network is 000. Okay, now. So basically R10 show IP route EIGRP. So R10 say, brother, I am receiving 1 dot route, 2 dot route, and 3 dot route. But via which one router? R9. R9. Yes or no? Okay. R9 says show IP route enter. So this route, 2 dot route, 1 dot route, it's a directly connected. But 3 dot route we are getting from EIGRP.
Yeah.
Okay. R8 show IP route. So R8 also receiving, but Sarath, if someone say R8 connected with Sarath, which one side?
Yes.
ISP side. So how data traffic forward? How data traffic will forward? For example, ISP having a Google IP is 10.1.4. For example, then how traffic will be forward? If R9 performs summarization for this one, so R9 install inside routing table, D route 10.1.0.0/16, and this route is null 0. If R10 forward any traffic for 10.1.1, 10.1.2.1, 10.1.3.1, 10.1.4.1. For example, this user say I want to communicate in between 1 or 2. So data receive on R9 or R9 directly connected. So reply yes or no. If this user want to ping 3 or 4, so possible to reach on R8? No.
No.
Because null 0 means drop your data traffic. Yes or no?
Yes.
So data plane loop prevent by null 0 basically. But how to forward data traffic on R8, Sarath? So verify now, same thing. We are getting or not getting. Go to R8, R9 and perform summarization. Clear? I interface. Okay. Interface E0 by 1, IP summary address EIGRP, which one? 100, 10.1.0.0 slash,
250.
okay, verify. R10, show IP. So we are receiving single, yes or no? If you want to ping 10.1.2.1, so it's reachable.
Yeah.
If I want to ping 1.1, it's reachable. If I want to ping 3.1, it's also
Reachable.
reachable. Why we are getting? Because R9 having show IP route. R9 having which one route?
Individual.
Individual routes. Yes or no?
Hmm.
Okay. If go to R8, if I am enable router EIGRP 100 or just summary we are receiving and this. Okay. Now verify. Traffic is going after auto summary enable on a R8.
No.
No. Because R8 say, brother, I am sending summary. I am sending summary with 10.0.0 slash 8.
8.
And R9 say, brother, I already summarize. So which one having a least cost? R9. So this route will be installed on R9? No.
No.
Clear na? So basically R8 drop all data traffic. It's happen. R10 possible to reach 1.3.1 after R8 enable auto summary.
No.
No. Go to R9 and verify. We are getting root is installed, but which one is more prefer? Summary root is
Summary
more.
route.
Because 2 octet match na.
Okay.
Clear? Okay. Right now we are getting option router EIGRP 100 and how to forward data traffic summary. We can get distance EIGRP internal route. Which one? Internal 255. External route is 170. No issue. Show IP protocol. Verify. Distance internal 255. External is
170.
show IP route EIGRP. So other route is removed and we are getting only null zero.
Some.
Again you can verify. We are getting reachable? No. Because we remove internal routes with the help of AD value. So summary route if you are receiving null zero. So how to forward your data traffic? So we are getting option. This distance keyword not working in null concept. Clear? So R9 say IP route static. Give me 1 second. Summary. Hello. Namaste. Sarath, 1 minute, 1 minute.
No.
आवाज आ रही है शरद नाउ? शरद वॉइस आ रही है?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now. Okay. Some IP, I have some command. One second. IP, EI. So it's difficult to remember all commands. Router EIGRP 100. Command. Router EIGRP 100, EIGRP. Summary command. Give me 1 second to verify my. Okay, okay, Sarath. Now verify this one is command. Router EIGRP 100. Summary matrix for 10.1.0. Okay. Show IP route EIGRP. Which one route we are receiving? 10 dot and 10.1.0. Yes or no? So basically go to R9. Sarath, can you hear me? Sarath, can you hear me? Hello?
I can hear. My mic was muted.
Okay, no worries. Show IP route EIGRP 100. Now verify. So basically we are getting this route and this one. Basically this route we are receiving from R8. Because on R8 we are enabling which one feature? Automatic
Summary.
summarization. If R8 sending summary, for example, interface E0 by 0, IP summary address EIGRP 100, which one summary? 10.1.0.0 slash which one? 16.
60.
We can get slash 16. Then we are getting any option? Leak map option. So basically auto summarization must be disabled. Auto summarization must be
Okay.
disabled. Okay, if disabled, then R9 show IP route. So verify EIGRP. So we are receiving 10.1.0.0 slash 16 summary with null 0. Okay, 10.1.3 slash 0 and this one. So basically if R10 trying to ping, so it's a reachable now, I think. Yes.
Yes.
We are getting some advanced command. I think this iOS not support. I am getting further. Hold on. One more command is available if you want to change null interface. Yes, this one. Hold on. Okay, go to R9. No need to do any other thing. Go to R8. Okay. I am saying router EIGRP 100. Which one? Now I remember the command. EIGRP 100 auto sum. R9. Show IP route EIG. So we are receiving summary na. Okay, go to R9 and say, I will install IP route, any network, any mask, and now we need to forward. So we are getting a null interface now. Yes or
Yeah.
no? So we can change null interface also. But if you want to send any data traffic unknown, so we can forward on which one side? R8 side. So we are saying IP route 10.1.0.0/255.255.0.0, and next hop is which one router? 89.0.0.8. Now verify, show IP route. So basically we are getting null root. Verify now. Null root is available. Null root
No.
is available.
No.
No. Why? Why we are not getting null root? Because static root AD value is 1 and summary root AD value is 5.
5.
IP EIGRP topology. So for this network we are getting summary, but in my topology table,
Null 0.
routing table root is available. Null 0.
No.
So if you're trying to forward traffic, so it's a reachable. So this one also available. You can disable auto summary. If you are not disabling auto summary, so go to R9 and set which one route? Static route. Which one route?
Static route.
Static route. Clear? Any doubt? No.
No.
One more. So both our concept is simple. Clear? No. One more thing we can say. If R9 forwarding internet traffic on R8, R8 working as a ISP. Clear? So any unknown traffic R9 want to forward on R8. So if R9 perform unknown traffic on R8, so we need to define a specific route. So whenever we are defining a specific route, last time this one, so we are creating option. Which one? AD value.
This is
AD value. So we can set. Now next thing. Next topic is which one? Where is my next topic? Next topic is stop concept. Null zero we discuss. Yes or no? Stop concept we discuss. We discuss later. No worry. Now we need to discuss advanced EIGR. Okay, route filtering we can see. So any idea why we do route filtering? Route filtering means, what is the meaning of route filtering? To filter unused route from routing table with the help of which one list? Distribute list. Clear? Okay, one more. Distribute list filter update message. Clear? Which one?
update messages.
Okay, we can filter with the help of ACL prefix list. Which one? Prefix list, route map, and we can say AD value, and which one? Any other summary? Summarization also can do route filtering task if you want. ACL prefix, route map, and which one? Summarization. AD value. Clear? So route filtering we discuss, route tag we discuss later. Organize default route origination, okay, or authentication, this one. Query reply we already done. Passive interface is remaining. So first we need to do route filtering. So basically start another topology. Stop these devices. Close this one. So where is route filtering? I think this one. Okay, now, so topic is which one? How to filter unused route from routing table. So this one is topic. First, start all devices. Basically, why we filter? So this one is R4. Clear? Forwarding update on R2, R3. But R1 say I will provide only internet connectivity on LAN side. Yes or no? I don't want to receive this network on my R1 routing table. Yes or no? So how to filter specifically? So any idea, sir, how many types ACL available?
Yes, standard and extended.
Standard and extended. Okay, wait. Okay. So basically go to R1, first verification. So I will use Notepad. I don't want to write down command again and again. Show IP protocol summary. Enter. Show IP interface brief by exclude unassigned address. Enter. Clear? Copy this command. Go to this side. Paste. Done. We are getting output. Go to R2. Paste. Go to R3. Paste. Go to R4. Done. Any doubt? So go to R1, enable which one protocol? EIGRP. Network is 000 because auto summary is by default disable.
Disable.
Router EIGRP 100 network is 000 and enable config router EIGRP 100 network is 000 and R4 enable config router EIGRP 100 EIGRP 100 network is 000 and okay. Now go to R1. Show IP route EIG. So verify we are receiving multiple routes. Yes or no?
Yes.
But we required this routes.
No.
We required this routes. No. So if I don't want to require any route, this one. So how to say? So we are using first method. Which one? Which one is first method, Sarat? Standard ACL. Standard ACL first task. Only match source traffic. Yes or no? Only match
source traffic.
Okay, one more thing. First statement deny. And last statement, which one?
Permit.
Okay, one more thing. Route filtering possible in EIGR whenever device send, receive, update, then carry which one information? Network information. So we need to use which one command? Distribute list. Distribute list help to open update message. Distribute list verify network also. Clear? Any doubt?
No.
We can use distribute list incoming side, outgoing side, both side. Clear? So we are saying I don't want to receive any 4 dot traffic. So how to say? Access list number. Then we need to define action. Okay. Then we need to define which one thing? Which one information? Network. Sometimes we are using host. Sometimes we are using any keyword. Sometimes we are using A dot, B dot, C dot, D. How to configure, verify. So go to router 1 and say access list 1 action is deny. Host means single user IP. Any means any network, any user IP. Host means okay, this one is single IP and this host name is single IP also, but or option is available A dot, B dot, C dot, D. That means we can match a specific entry. So basically how to match? So I will say 4 dot 2 octet match and 2 octet is free. And wildcard bit 2 octet fix and 2 octet is okay. And access list 1 permit anyone rest of the traffic. And go to router EIGRP 100 distribute list ACL number is 1 and which time you want to apply, incoming or outgoing?
Both, right?
Incoming. And which interface? You can apply interface. You can define interface, which interface. But if I am enter, that means for all interfaces. Wait for resync log. Wait for resync log. Wait. Which one log we are getting here? Resync. Now verify show IP route EIGRP. Any route receiving 4 dot?
No.
show access list. So for the deny statement, how many matches?
35.
Clear na?
Hmm.
So, router EIGRP 100. Remove this one. We are getting again resync log and root is coming. Wait for resync log. Sometimes I'm also forget some commands. It's very complicated to teach the vendor because before your session I'm getting a F5.
Okay.
So root is coming. Yes or no? Now. Standard ACL, which one issue we are getting, Sarath? Which one issue? Only match which one information?
First
So,
one.
clear na? Now, which one ACL?
Yeah, extended.
Extended ACL. Extended ACL match source and destination information. Okay, first clear. Source means network. Destination means next door device. Clear? Okay. Same task. First statement is deny and last statement is which one?
Permit.
But condition is if you map directly ACL with distribute list, then follow. Clear? Now command is access list number, then which one information? Action, then protocol information, IP, TCP or UDP. Okay, then define source, then define which one?
Destination.
Right now, why we are using extended ACL, Sarath? For example, if network admin say on R1, we are receiving this route via which one router only? 12.2. Why we are not receiving via R3? Can you please verify? Show IP, EIGRP topology. We are getting 12.2, 13.3. Both are FD values same or different?
FD is different.
So which one is having a lowest or which one having a highest?
R2 has the lowest.
Yeah, that is the reason best and R3 having highest backup. So I want to make a best path both. How to make? I think we can use offset list because we are getting some metric now. So calculator. So this one is 4352 minus which one value? 437660. 437760. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay, 435200 minus 437760. How many metric difference? 2560 difference. Yes or no? Via which router? Via which router? Via R2. If R2 also having same metric, so we are getting both are best. So go to R2 router. Which one router, Sarath? R1 router. And we are saying access list 1. Okay. And which one command, Sarath? Permit. And which one? 4.4.0.0 255 and router EIGRP 100 offset list 1. And how many metric we need to add incoming interface? 2560 on which one? E0 by 0. Why? Wait, we can receive. R2 is this one. Yeah, we add a no issue. Show run interface E0 by 0. Yeah, show run pipe section RE Offset list 1. Okay. Okay. Another ACL is available, I think. Yeah, other is available, na? Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Mm.
Okay. No access list 1. Access list 1 and permit 4.4.0.0.00255. Wait. Now we are getting show IP route here. Wait. Now verify, Sarath.
Mm. 13.
Receiving na?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Now, if network admin say, Sarath, if R1 receiving any route via R2 next hop IP, which one dear? R2 next hop IP. Show IP route EIGRP. So whenever we are receiving 4 dot route, so next hop IP is 13.3, 12.2. So whenever receive via next hop IP R2, so traffic is denied. Traffic is denied. Which one traffic is denied? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 networks. Clear?
Mm.
How to configure? Go to R1 and first do which one task? Access list extended. That means 101
Mm.
and action is deny.
Deny.
Okay, which one concept? IP concept.
Mm.
We are not using TCP UDP na in root. We are using only IP. Which one source address? Network is 1.1. Okay,
4.4.
4.1.0 00.255 via which one next hop IP? Host is which one? 12.2.
12.0.
Only verify one statement. If this one is done, then we can discuss. Access list 101, permit IP any. Router EIGRP 100, distribute list 101 in via E0 by 0. No, enter. Because we already defined the next hop is 12.2. Verify. Wait for resync log. We are getting any resync. If ACL is done, so we are getting this route only via R3. Clear enough? We are getting any? No. So basically in ACL, in a books, we are getting one changes. In a books, we are getting source is network. No. Source is always next hop device.
Next hop.
Which one? Next hop.
Next.
And destination is which one information?
Network.
Network. Okay, now no access list 101 and very simple access list 101 deny for IP. Next hop is which one? Host, because single IP 12.0.2. Destination is 4.4.1.0.00255 and one more. Which one dear? 2 dot one more 3 dot. Access list 101 permit IP any.
Yeah.
Now show IP route. Show access list 101. Wait. Okay. Verify now. Working. So in a books, we are getting a sources network, but always verify. Source is my always next hop.
Yes.
Destination is my
Network.
okay. So this thing is clear.
Mm.
Okay. Now next thing. Next task is which one person? Sarath. Route map. First, old configuration must be removed. Distribute list. Where is my distribute? Okay. Now, so show IP route EIGRP. So last time we are using Sarath. Which one command to do load balancing? Which one command?
Certainly.
So I will remove router EIGRP 100. Say no and copy this command. I don't want to use. Oh. Copy this. I will use a variance concept. Variance is also easy now. Variance is to show IP route EIGRP. We can install forcefully. Wait. Verify. We are getting a different metric, but load balance. Yes or no?
Yeah.
No. A route map. Route map means route map. It's a feature to map condition with specific information like ACL, metric, next hop. Clear? Which one? Next hop IP. We can write down next hop IP. We can map which one information? Origin ports. We can map route type. Which one, dear? Route type.
Okay.
Okay, one more thing. First statement deny if ACL map. If ACL map, metric map, if next hop, if route type. Clear? This thing is clear? Okay. Last statement permit with higher sequence number. Okay. For example, I will say, for example, on router 1, I am saying whenever I am receiving metric is which one? 437760. So root is deny. Clear?
Yeah.
Root is deny. So how to say? So it's a very simple. I will say root map name, and then define the root map number sequence.
Number.
Okay, match. Which one command? Match metric. Okay, and after root map number, we can define action, deny or permit, and then exit. Same task. Root map name, number, and then
Action.
and then exit. This one is deny. This one is permit. Same verify. Route map name is CCIE, or this one is which one? Metric. Sequence number is by default 10. Deny. Sequence number is 10. I will define 10 by default. It's a by default, but we are saying sequence number is 1. So root map name, action or number. Root map name, action or number. Action and then
number.
No, copy this one. Okay, now verify. So enter match. Which one information?
Metric.
So copy this metric, paste on this one. Done. Exit. Route map, CCIE, metric, and then action is permit, and sequence number is
1.
2. Sequence number is 2 because 1 is already configured now with this condition.
Okay.
So this one is denied. Now rest of the traffic is permit with a higher sequence 2. Enter, then exit. Now router EIGRP 100 distribute list route map. Route map name is CCIE metric. And action is incoming on which interface? Any interface? No. Apply because we are using metric. No need to map with interface. Show IP route EIGRP. Wait. We are getting a resync log and routing table will be filtered. Wait 5 minutes, Sarath. Okay. Verify. Clear? Okay. Sarath, give me 5 minutes, then come back. Okay.
Okay.
Hello, Sarath, can you hear me? Sarath, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Route map is clear. So show route map, and this one is route map we configure. First deny statement for this metric routes, permit statement for rest of the routes. So remove this one, remove this route map. Okay, now show IP route EIGRP. We are not receiving, wait for racing log. Okay, wait. Done. Show IP route EIGRP. We are receiving again. So we are configure one more route map. Route map CCIE 1. Action is deny. Sequence number is 1. Always define manually. 1. Okay. We can get match. Which one information you want to match? IP, any metric, any source protocol, tag number, interfaces, AS number, additional paths. So basically we are saying, for example, IP. Which one IP? Next hop IP. Via which one router? 12.2. Exit. Route map. Name is CCIE 1. Action is permit to exit. And show route map and verify. Okay. Remove old route map. No route map. Which one? This one. Copy this name. Paste on this side and then delete. Do show route map. So verify in this route map CCI 1, we match next hop IP. Yes or no? But we are getting any next hop IP information?
No.
No. Do show run pipe section route map. We create CCI 1 deny permit 2. Okay. Now show run. In running config, inside route map, any configuration available? No. That is the reason. Okay. Route map CCI 1 deny 1 match IP next hop. Which one? We need to define which one information? ACL number. So we are saying ACL number is 1. Exit. Now configure access list 1 or permit statement. Which one? Permit. Permit 12 permit host. Which one? 12.2. Show access list. Okay. We already configure no access list 101 and we configure this one only. Show access list. So we permit this one person, but we deny in my route map. Yes or no? Whenever next hop IP from my access list, which one? This one. So now router EIGRP 100 distribute list route map name is CCI 1 incoming. No need to define interfaces and show IP route EIGRP. Wait for log. Now verify. We are receiving any route. Rest of the routes also filter. Yes or no? So remove router EIGRP 100. Say no. And now. So basically we define metric concept. We define ACL. We define next hop. Okay. Route type we can filter. Origin code if you want to configure. Route map CCI 1, CCI 2. Action is deny. Sequence number is 1. Verify. Enter. Match. We can match. Route type. Which one route you want to deny? Which one route? Internal route. Exit. Route map CCI 2. Action is permit. No need to map ACL. Router EIGRP 100. Distribute list route map CCI 2 incoming. Wait. Racing log we are getting. Hold on. Show IP route EIGRP. We are getting multiple routes now. Wait. Resync and now verify. Any route available in EIGRP table?
No.
So remove this one, router EIGRP 100. Remove this distribute list. Done? Okay. Now, after route map, we need to discuss which one information? Prefix list. Which one?
Prefixes.
Prefix list. Okay. What is the meaning of prefix list? This feature help to filter or match traffic. Yes or no? But. This feature also help to verify different subnet mask. Which one? Different subnet. First statement, deny. Last statement, Sarath,
Permit.
permit. But. How to verify? So now command is IP prefix list, your name, or you can define number also. Then define action. And then define your network information. For example, x dot x dot x dot x, then slash value. Clear?
Yeah.
Then your slash value. And then we are getting option LE or GE option. Which one, dear? Less than and greater than.
Yeah.
For example, if we are having 4.4.1.1, or sorry, 1.0, 4.4.2.0, 4.4.3.0, but /24/25 slash value 26. With the help of ACL, we need to match wildcard bit every time, plus minus option. Yes or no? But prefix list help to filter less than 24 and greater than if you're having 26. And this option we use which one? I'm saying 4.4. 2 octet always match, that means 16 bit, and action is deny. So from update this 2 octet verify, and from your subnet mask must be having a 24 minimum and maximum is 26. Clear, Sarath?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sir. So we can create prefix list. So I'm saying verify first, show IP route EIGRP. So basically, Sarath, verify subnet mask 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes or no?
Yes.
I'm saying, brother, now. Why you are doing these things? Close this one. Okay, now. IP prefix list. Prefix list, name or number you can define. So I'm saying name, CCIE. Okay, action is deny. For which network? I will say match 2 octet, and which one? Less than or greater than? Yes or no? Greater than means minimum or less than means maximum. Okay, GE, it's a maximum, or LE means
Less.
G is minimum, LE means maximum. So we are saying greater than 24, less than which one?
26.
27, for example. IP prefix list CCIE EI permit rest of the traffic, na? But how to say? Any network, any mask, and less than maximum 32. This one is permit statement for prefix list. Okay. Router EIGRP 100 distribute list prefix list name is CCIE EI, or for which one person incoming on which interface E0 by 0. Because with my neighborship E0 by 0 on R2. Yes or no? Wait. we are getting a resync log. Hold on. If we are receiving a resync log, then verify. Show IP route EIGRP. 24 to 27. This route we can receive via R2. Verify. This route we are receiving via R2. Sarath?
No. Yeah, no.
We are receiving from R3 only.
R3.
Clear na? So prefix list help to verify your subnet mask. So go to EIGRP, remove this one. Router EIGRP 100 and remove this. Done? Now. IP prefix list, name or number, action, any network, any mask, and less than maximum is which one?
32.
32. Always clear. Okay, now. So basically, Sarath, I want to do one thing. Which one? Show IP route EIGRP. So basically, all routes available. Now, basically, if I'm saying router EIGRP 100 and distance keyword, which one? Distance. For EIGRP, which one route? Internal. If I'm saying internal route AD value is how many?
90.
255. Now, with the help of this command, we are denying all internal routes on R1. Clear? External route AD value is 170. Now verify. Show IP route EIG. We are receiving, but wait for resync log. Wait. Right. Now verify. Any route receiving internal?
No. No.
So AD value also help. Yes or no?
Yeah.
By default, it's a 90 for
Internal.
By default,
174 external.
174
External.
If network engineers set how many AD value? 255. That means route unreachable. Clear? Now one more thing. Okay, just go through this video, Sarath. We meet again next week. And next week, first class EIGRP and then complete. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay.